Hey guys, I'm out here on the course today testing out the Commander backpack bag by Dynamic Disc. This is the only one I haven't actually carried for myself. I've definitely caddied a couple times for Eric and Zach Melton, and the only reason I've been avoiding it is because it's large. So it carries a lot of stuff. It might be great for you. It's just on the big side for what I would have been looking for in a disc golf bag. So I'm gonna go play around with this and see what I like about it. So for starters, the bottom is extremely durable. It has these plastic caps to protect the bottom of the bag. So these are going to wear out way before the bag ever wears out. It also helps keep the bag sit upright. One of my first concerns for the Commander would be the fact that all of these discs are exposed, but there is actually a little flap on this one. So this comes out and covers all of your drivers. But that would still leave all of this, all your putters, which are super important to stay dry, exposed. But you can buy a rain fly for this bag from the website as well. So the Commander actually only weighs 4 pounds, which I think is actually the same exact weight as the Sniper bag, which is kind of alarming to me because it feels so much heavier, but that's because you can put so much into it. Of course it's going to be heavier. And I'm one of those people, if I have the room to fill it, I fill it. I always bring extra water, extra snacks, stuff like that. So there's plenty of room to add stuff, but actually the weight of the bag itself is not that heavy. You're gonna see a similar design between this one and the Sniper bag, just in that they have this heavy duty handle here, and the straps are about the same thickness, width-wise. So they sit on my shoulders about the same, kind of thick, but I like the design of the handle here. It's super heavy duty. If you have all this heavy stuff and you grab your bag, it's definitely not gonna rip on you. And now let's talk about space and pockets. Okay, so the main reason to carry the Commander is all of the space. This main compartment holds at least 20 discs, plus you have, I think, another 4, maybe even 5 or 6 up here. I've seen Eric unzip these and throw a couple more discs in here, so there's a lot of space for discs, especially if you're going to go do some field work and need all the discs you have. This is a great bag for that. Now, pocket-wise, there's a lot of pockets. So just like the Sniper had a lot of space in the main compartment and up top, this has a lot of space on the outsides. So there's 2 pockets on these sides, or 1 pocket on each side for cell phone, granola bars, wheel sacks, whatever. And then these are large. You can fit a ton of stuff in these side pockets. They're just these tall, not wide, but tall pockets. You can stuff those to the brim. There's 2 spots, I would say, for minis, or you can fit the junior size in this one here. And so this is definitely a tournament designed bag. It is ready for you to go play a tournament, go play league rounds, anything you need scorecards and minis for. This bag is designed for that. One of my favorite things about this bag is the accessibility of the putter pocket. The fact that they pop right out, they're easy to throw back in. That's one of the most satisfying things you can find in a bag, I think. And actually this whole bag is designed that way. So these discs, you're not going to have any resistance. There's no overhang to keep you from pulling your discs out. They're just easily accessible, in, out, super easy. So that's one thing I really, really like about this bag. So the price point on this bag is $125, $124.99 on Dynamic Disc website. So if you're looking for a top-of-the-line, durable, long-lasting bag that carries everything you could ever need, this is the bag for you. That is my take on the Commander backpack bag. I hope this is helpful for you if you're looking for a disc golf bag for yourself or for a friend, especially if you're going to go play some tournaments. This is a great bag for that. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.